Welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this panda bookmark. We will start with the magic circle. As you can see how I'm making this circle. Chain 3 to start the round. Chain 3 will be counted as the first double crochet. We will make 15 double crochets. As you can see how we will make a double crochet, yarn over, go into the loop, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. This is called a double crochet. We will work 15 double crochets. As you can see I am done with all the double crochets. So I am pulling this tail. We will pull it tightly. Now I will make a slip stitch. Join it in the very first double crochet at the top of this first chain 3 to begin the next round. Work another double crochet into the same stitch, so we have total of 2 double crochets in the first stitch. In the next stitch we will work again 2 double crochets. At the end of this round we will have 30 double crochets. That means we will work 2 double crochets in every stitch. Second round is completed. Make a slip stitch. As you can see my third round is begin with chain 3, that will be counted as first double crochet. One more double crochet in the same stitch. In the next, one double crochet. In the next chain again work 2 double crochets. So as we follow the formula for a round, we will do the same, 2 double crochets in a stitch and 1 double crochet in the next, 2 in the next and 1 in the next. As you can see how it will work. Round is completed. As you can see how flat it is. In the first round we have 15 double crochets, in the second 30, and in the next we have 45 double crochets. Slip stitch in the very first double crochet. Face is completed. Now I will work these chains. We will work 60 chains. Simply pull the yarn and you will make these stitches. Now in this fourth stitch we will work 3 more double crochets. These 3 chains will be counted as first double crochet, and I am working 3 more double crochets, so we have total of 4 double crochets in one stitch. In the next stitch again 4 double crochets. As you can see I will work 4 double crochets in next 15 stitches. It will be like a ruffle. As you can see I am done. I'll make it in a nice cone shape. Cut the yarn and weave the ends. Now we'll work on the face. We will start with the ears. Okay, first I'm showing you that this will be the mouth, and what will you do is simply make a magic ring, and you will work 15 double crochets, make a slip stitch, and this is how you can make this round. Now we will work ears of the panda. Identify the accurate space where we will work these ears. Join the yarn. Chain 1 to start the round. 1 single crochet. 1 half double crochet into the next, work 2 double crochets into the next stitch. In the next stitch I will work a half double crochet, and into the next I will work a single crochet. As you can see how I make this here, we will start with chain 1 to start the here. In the same stitch I will work a single crochet, into the next a half double crochet, into the next 2 double crochets and single crochet in the last. Make a slip stitch and identify the next space where we will work here of the panda. As you can see how I am identifying the right space. Join the yarn, chain 1 to begin, 1 single crochet in the same stitch, 1 half double crochet into the next, 2 double crochets into the next stitch, in the next half double crochet, and in the last stitch 1 single crochet, and we will cut the yarn and weave the ends. I'm done with the ears. Okay, as you can see, now I will work on the nose and the mouth. We need a needle and black thread. Now you can see it's the same size. I will sew it here. We will start from the center of the piece. Insert the needle from back side. As you can see, the nose is a little triangle shape, so we will identify the right space and we will try to make it without any space. We will try to make it a triangle, and then we will fill it with this black yarn. Try to follow all the instructions. It's very easy. If you will follow, you can make it easily. Be careful while working with the needle. Don't harm yourself. Just pay a little more attention while working. At the end, we'll make a long stitch to even these uneven stitches. Now you can see I have no empty spaces. I have filled it very carefully. Now you can see my triangle is completed, and I have filled all the space with black yarn. Now I will make the nose. Insert the needle from the middle and make a stitch towards the downside. Make one stitch from the back side. Look very carefully. At the equal space, insert the needle and make a stitch for the lips. Distance between both sides should be equal. This is how it will look. One more stitch to sew it properly. It will be a little tight. I'm done with nose and lips. Now I will sew this white piece on the face. Cut the yarn and weave the ends. Now with this white thread, I will paste this piece over the face. Okay, now it's time to make eyes on the face. It will be again same. Eyes of the panda are a little triangle, so we will identify the right space and make a triangle and then fill it with this black yarn. Look carefully. I am telling you with very detail, but if you have any query, any trouble following my pattern, please you can ask me in comments. Please subscribe my channel and like my videos. One eye is completed. Now I am going to make the other one. You will do exactly what I have done before. Make a triangle and then fill it with this black color, and the last stitch will be a little round to make it even. My cute panda is completed. You can use it as a bookmark. You can use it on any shirt, any sweater, any cap. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my video. Thank you so much.